Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making lemonade cupcakes. We're going to need 1 box of Meyer lemonade pound cake mix. We're going to need lemonade. I'm using the Minute Maid Zero Sugar. We're going to need 2 tablespoons. We're going to need 1 egg, 3/4 cup of water, 10 tablespoons of butter, and also 1 lemon, which we are going to zest at the end. Okay guys, you can preheat your oven to 350 degrees. First you want to melt your 10 tablespoons of butter. And this is the pound cake mix that came in the package, and also you will have a lemon glaze. Next guys, all you want to do is get a bowl. We're going to add in our pound cake mix. Our melted butter. Our egg. And also our water. Now all you want to do is mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, once your batter is well combined, all you want to do is line your cupcake pan. Now I'm using silicone molds, so what I'm going to do is take a little bit of vegetable oil and I'm just going to go around in the molds with it and grease them. So you can use your regular cupcake liners, and if you use the molds, just grease it a little bit with vegetable oil. Okay guys, now all I'm doing is filling up the cupcake molds. About 2/3 will do. Okay guys, once you're all done, we're going to put them in the oven at 350 degrees and bake them for 22 to 23 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 23 minutes. What I'm going to do, make sure the cupcakes are cooked all the way, which they are. So now we're going to let them cool down for about 15 minutes. Okay guys, once the 15 minutes was up, I transferred our cupcakes onto a cooling rack. Now we're going to give them about 10 more minutes to cool down. We need them completely cool before we glaze them. Okay guys, once they cooled down, all I did was pop them out of the silicone molds. Now I'm going to set them to the side and we're going to make the lemonade glaze. Okay guys, all you want to do now is get a small bowl and put in your lemon glaze mix. And we're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of lemonade. Once you're done that, all you want to do is whisk it together until everything is nice and smooth. Okay guys, once you're done making the lemonade glaze, we're going to move over to our lemon, and all we're going to do is zest it. Okay guys, I have my lemonade glaze and some lemon zest. And now all we're going to do is glaze the cupcakes. All you want to do is pour some with a spoon over top and just spread it out. I'm telling you guys, these cupcakes, they are delicious. You're really going to enjoy them. As you can see, the glaze is doing its own thing on top. So Just spread it out as much as you can. And then all you're going to do is add a little bit of lemon zest on top. That's optional. All we're going to do is just sprinkle a little bit on top. They look pretty. Okay guys, so here we have it. Lemonade cupcakes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please come back. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.